Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day after today's price movement and a very big technical setup moving forward. So before I go any further, I want to make very clear here that I'm not trying to proclaim like any of these levels that I'm about to talk about are some sort of great discovery on my part or that have some sort of special power. The exact opposite. I assure you that people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of these levels. And that's important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely create some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what we have here, specifically with this level right down here at the 228 mark. I mean, all you got to do is go back through the history of the chart, and you can see that time after time after time over the past few days, including the last 30 minutes of the day, the price has basically bounced right off that level. So you better believe that there's going to be all sorts of people watching 228 with a more than valid question of, can that level continue to hold? Because if that level cannot hold, while no such thing is guaranteed, it's a more than valid, it's a more than plausible thought to have that if that area does not quite hold up, that's probably going to create just additional downside selling pressure. So 228 is one of those levels that everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching, wondering can that area hold or not. In the event 228 is broken, next key level of support after that would then be that gap close breakout point down there right around 225. So, I mean, that's not guaranteed that if 228 is broken, it's going down to 225, but I don't think anybody would be shocked or surprised to see that occur. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to start to just bounce right back upwards, key area of resistance to watch very closely is going to be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the famous 50-period moving average. Current value of that, as we'll just call it, at 232.85. But in my mind, I think that the top priority level, the level that most people are going to care about, is going to be that 228 mark. So let's see if the price can hold above there or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.